So I gave myself just one afternoon to build a software as a service side hustle from scratch and actually put it live on the internet. So not a demo on my laptop, that's pretty easy, but I want a real deployed app that a stranger could log into that I could start selling today. So here's exactly how it went. So if you've been vibe coding little apps and hitting the same wall, you build something cool, but then you have no idea how to actually ship it, this is for you. So the build is the easy part right now. Deploying the app, adding logins, a database, hosting, that's where a lot of these vibe-coded side hustles kind of end up dying. But I'm going to show you a tool today that closes that gap, gets you all the way through. And this tool is Modelence. So you describe an app in plain English, it builds the whole stack, front end, back end, database logins, and it deploys it for real. So let's actually build something today. I'll just have you walk through it with me and we will see how it works. So Claude helped me come up with this, but build a lead tracker, software as a service. I need a form to capture name, email, company, and notes, store leads in a database, show a list table view of all leads, then with search. Let me click into it, a lead to edit or delete it, a simple dashboard with total leads and account by status. So that's my idea, a little CRM, a lead tracker, the kind of tool that a freelancer or small agency would pay a few dollars a month for. My spec in plain English is capture leads with a form, store them, a searchable list, click any leads to edit or delete, a dashboard, and I'm going to go ahead and hit go. So it starts by building the database and gets an environment set up. All right, that took about 3 minutes, and this was the first take. So that I just sent that prompt, and this is what came out. They called it lead flow, so gave it a name. It's exactly what I asked for. It works perfectly. So now it's asking what it should build next. So it built the lead where you can add here. Let's go ahead and edit and delete leads. So we'll click that one, and we'll go from there. All right, so finish that. I'll go ahead and we have the dashboard and the search. Actually, I'm just going to do both here. We'll get them both done here in one run. All right, so far it's taken me about 4 minutes, and again, it was just that one prompt, and I've actually been working on other stuff. We'll let this run go, and we'll see what comes out. So, and already, just like that, it was about 20 seconds of my time and maybe about 5 minutes of actual AI time, but the app is here. It's ready to go. So we'll add a lead here. We'll say James Pelton is the lead. James Pelton, LLC, status new. We'll do add lead. And there is the lead. So when we can add leads. We have the dashboard here. We can click in to hopefully edit and delete leads. So let's misspell my last name. Let's add some notes. He's a great guy. So true. Lead updated. Let's go back to leads. And there it is, the notes. I mean, this is a nice lead tracker that, again, we put together in 4 minutes. Honestly, I don't know what CRMs and Salesforce and those types of companies are going to do. If you're able to generate your own CRM that works exactly the way that you want it to in 4 minutes, I just don't know. I don't know what's going to happen in the software as a service space. So we can come in here, we can create a mobile app to go along with it. Now that the web app is done, you can go look at the code, although I don't know why you'd need to. So, and I love Modelence gives you a lot of insight into here's the users that have been created. Here's the database. So you can go in and actually look at the database and change it to Mongo database. Under monitoring, you can see what calls are being called, how many times they've been invoked, the CPU and the memory that it's taking. So you get access to the full logs. So amazing what it can do in one pass. I didn't even have to fix anything. But we'll go ahead. Let's wait for this mobile app to get finished. We'll check that out, and then we'll deploy it live. And then let me know in the comments. Should I turn this into a real software as a service? Is it good enough? Should I make something else? Do you want me to make a new business live? I could set up an agent that starts selling it. That'd be kind of an interesting video. But we'll let this mobile app finish here. All right, so we got our mobile app, and so that is up and working. You can test it out on your phone, but again, one click, and we got a mobile app created. So this is pretty cool. So I think the only thing left is let's go ahead and publish this. Let's make it live. For free, you can get the micro computer. So that'll give you, a little bit of space. And when you're just starting out, that should be fine. So we'll go ahead and publish there. And then if you're growing, then you can start paying for more processing power on here. It is cool that you get not only the app and the web built, but you can also host it here. But we'll go ahead and deploy. Should get a live link. You guys should be able to check out the live link once I'm done. All right, so got this deployed. Have a link here now. And here it is. It is live. I'll leave this link. You can go check it out. I could add a custom domain. Lead tractor is probably taken, but I could do something similar to that. And we have an app ready to go. Real talk on cost. When you sign up, your first app comes with a free build credit, and the entry container is free to run. So you can actually test this out if people, even want your idea before you spend anything. When you're ready to run it as a real product with your own domain, it's just a few dollars a month, $20 a month for the starter package. So if you have an app idea, a business idea, software as a service, could be a mobile app now, which you can build on here, and you've been wanting to try it out, you think you can make some money, go ahead and build it. You can get it built. Let me know, show me in the comments what you guys have built, but you can get an app built very, very quickly. We didn't even need to with this app, but you can go back and forth with AI and say, no, actually change it to this. I didn't even have to do any of that. It did it all perfectly on the first run, which it's running, Claude Opus 4.8. So that's where we're at. Yeah, that's where Claude is at. Is it usually gets things right in the first try. But shout out to Modelence. I've tried, Replit and Lovable and a lot of the vibe coders, and I think Modelence is the best, in my opinion. So go give it a try. Let me see what you have built. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love AI and just what the capabilities are now. Appreciate you guys very much. God bless you all, and have a great rest of your day.